Dalania natasa, Dalania natasa. The weather has gone wild. The storms are getting stronger. Drought and floods. It's getting harder and longer. We need to wake up, realize the danger we are in. It's time to take actions. Let the healing begin. Oh, climate change. Oh, climate change. Dalania natasa. It's time to rearrange the future of our planet. We can't exchange. Let's raise our voices. Let's make a stand. Together we can make a difference. We have seen the signs, the heat waves and melting ice. It's time to act now. We can't think twice. The future of our planet is in our hands. Let's come together and make a stand. Let's reduce, reuse, recycle and conserve. Find a suitable solution. Let our voices be heard. It's time to educate, inspire and lead the way for a brighter, greener future every single day. Dalania natasa, Dalania natasa.